Yeah, g'day there. Just doing a video of our garden in the springtime. And as you can see, we got the one big palm tree way up there. And I mean way up there. Haha, she's a little ripper. Anyway, this is the front yard. A lot more flowers to come out yet. All the roses are still got to come out. Looks pretty cool once all the roses are out. I'm not sure if this is going to be a bit wobbly or not, but yeah. So this is the front. Got the pathway going in with the arches and that. Pretty hard to get everything in, but I'll do my best. Got all the stepping stones coming through. And over here you got another spot. You've got a seat there where you can sit out the front. Yes, number 7. Well, it's 1 for the morning, 2 for the shore. G'day. And as the sign says, done roaming. No more roaming around. Anybody else? Anyway, into the Bigola. This is the Bigola area. Few hanging baskets. And also we have the gate. Yeah, pretty long video. I haven't done one for a while. Mr. Scarecrow. I think he's seen better days. Oh, kangaroos next 25 k's. Ah, interesting. The old rubber plant here. Okay, now we go through the gateway. Oh, We have a pathway here. And we have a pathway here. Cool. Pretty tall conifer. Yeah, we're walking around the back garden. Nowhere near finished yet. Got a lot more planning to do. Trying to get the jungle effect. I think I'm getting there. Another archway here. Another kangaroo there. Skippy! Anyway, we'll just mosey along. Yeah, just a lot of different areas. Seating in the back porch there. Later on I'll build that in, should be alright. Always lots to do in and around the place, but yeah, get a lot of pleasure out of doing it. Hear the big bell going there. They come all the way from Texas. From a good friend of ours, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Still works brilliantly. The old lemon scented gum tree. Oh, she's a ripper. She's a big one. Oh, I'd hate to see that come down. It's right in the corner, so if it does come down, it won't take out the house, but it'll squash a few plants, that's for sure. It's an old saw, a lumber saw in the back there, the back fence. Seating area. Pathways around everywhere. We had butterflies out here earlier today. That was interesting, which is really good. Some cacti. I like the white ones, pretty tall. Coming along fine. No, the snakes are not real. Don't do a snake dance. Veggie patch area there, got to fill in yet. Put some tomatoes in, seating area. And of course over here we've got the pot house. And got the cock on the roof there, weather vane. So we go in and do up a whole heap of potting and all that sort of stuff. Another seating area there at the back. Garage, computer workshop. Yeah, found this Eiffel Tower, so I put an aeroplane on the top, or a helicopter. Pretty cool. Yeah, a lot of pathways and that, which I like. Really come in handy. The lemon tree really grows good lemons too. Not many on it at the moment. Not a pretty that. Not a pathway. And the old grapevine. Last year, beautiful. This year, be the same. You should get some good grapes. Anyway, we'll just move along. Then you got the back area. All the red roses and white roses just here. It's 2 varieties. Then you got the yellow. Still waiting for them to come out. They come out later. Self-watering tank. That really, the plants love the fresh water, rainwater. And yeah, so I know it's a long video, but there we have it. And then we got the garage, computer workshop. Beautiful place to work in. Open up the double doors on one side and the big door. Nice fresh air coming through in the summer. Anyway, oh, another pathway. That's the pathway, the double doors that are usually open into the garage area, sitting area, the shed, very old shed, but I tell you what, it still really works. And there we have it. Still waiting for more colour to come out, but yeah, should be nice. La 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 la. Everybody loves my body all the time. Scooby-Doo. Yeah, a few changes. And out we go. Yeah, well, on that note, I think I'll leave the video here, showing the big palm tree again. And we'll catch us all later. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.